A simple jar of pickles in your refrigerator might hold secrets to protecting your brain health. While we often hear about brain-boosting superfoods like nuts or berries, few people know the fascinating link between pickles and cognitive decline. Could these tangy treats be a hidden weapon in the fight against Alzheimer's and dementia? Or are they just another health myth? Stick with us as we unravel the surprising science behind pickles and brain function. Welcome to Levitas. What are fermented foods? Fermented foods are made through a process where beneficial microorganisms like bacteria or yeast break down sugars and starches into acids, gases, or alcohol. This natural preservation method enhances flavor and boosts nutritional content by introducing probiotics, healthy bacteria that support gut health. But the thing is, are all pickles fermented? Not necessarily. Traditional pickles, made by fermenting cucumbers in a saltwater brine, are rich in probiotics. However, many commercially available pickles are simply cucumbers soaked in vinegar, bypassing fermentation entirely. These lack probiotics, meaning their potential brain-boosting benefits are significantly reduced. Understanding this distinction is key to harnessing their health advantages. How fermented foods affect brain health. The gut-brain axis is a two-way communication highway connecting your digestive system to your brain. Fermented foods like pickles, when genuinely fermented, can positively influence this connection. Their probiotics enhance gut microbiota, the diverse population of bacteria living in your digestive tract. These gut microbes produce neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine, which play crucial roles in mood regulation, memory, and overall cognitive health. Moreover, probiotics found in fermented pickles can reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation, especially in the brain, is a known risk factor for cognitive decline and diseases like Alzheimer's. By promoting a healthy gut environment, these foods can indirectly reduce neuroinflammation and improve brain function. Pickles also contribute to producing short-chain fatty acids, which are metabolic byproducts of gut bacteria. Short-chain fatty acids strengthen the blood-brain barrier, preventing harmful toxins and pathogens from reaching the brain. Additionally, they improve brain plasticity, the ability to adapt and form new neural connections, crucial for learning and memory. While research on fermented pickles and dementia is ongoing, the existing evidence highlights the transformative power of fermented foods in promoting brain health. Can gut bacteria influence cognitive decline? Gut bacteria are the gatekeepers of your brain's health. Trillions of microorganisms live in your digestive tract, forming the gut microbiome. This community includes both beneficial and harmful bacteria, and the balance between them is vital for cognitive well-being. Good bacteria, such as Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium species found in fermented pickles, support brain health by reducing inflammation, enhancing nutrient absorption, and producing short-chain fatty acids. They also regulate the immune system, which prevents the brain from being exposed to unnecessary inflammatory responses. Conversely, an overgrowth of bad bacteria, like Clostridium or pathogenic Escherichia coli, can release harmful byproducts called lipopolysaccharides, which can leak into the bloodstream when the gut lining is compromised, triggering systemic inflammation that reaches the brain. This phenomenon, known as leaky gut, is increasingly linked to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. A disrupted gut microbiome may also impair the production of vital neurotransmitters, reducing cognitive function over time. Restoring balance through fermented foods like pickles or kefir strengthens the gut barrier, limits the proliferation of bad bacteria, and enhances the brain's resilience against cognitive decline. Are all pickles beneficial? Not all pickles are created equal. Fermented pickles, made through natural brining processes, are rich in probiotics and beneficial for gut and brain health. However, pickles preserved in vinegar without fermentation lack these health-boosting microbes. Additionally, pickles with artificial additives, excessive sodium, or chemical preservatives can do more harm than good. Always opt for pickles labeled as fermented or probiotic-rich, and check for live cultures listed on the packaging. Homemade pickles or those from health-focused brands are often the best options. Ensuring you consume real fermented pickles is essential for reaping their brain-boosting benefits. How pickles reduce Alzheimer's risk. Fermented pickles may contribute to reducing Alzheimer's risk through their impact on gut health and inflammation. The probiotics in fermented pickles help maintain a healthy gut microbiome, which is crucial for preventing systemic inflammation, a major factor in the progression of Alzheimer's disease. These probiotics also enhance the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, a protein that supports the growth and survival of neurons. Higher levels of BDNF are associated with better memory and a reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases. By promoting BDNF production, fermented pickles indirectly strengthen neural networks and cognitive resilience. Furthermore, fermented pickles are rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and polyphenols. These compounds neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress in the brain. Some studies even suggest that fermented foods can lower the accumulation of amyloid plaques, the toxic protein deposits characteristic of Alzheimer's disease. By improving gut health, reducing inflammation, and boosting antioxidant defenses, fermented pickles offer a simple, natural way to support long-term brain health and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Can too many pickles be harmful? While fermented pickles offer numerous benefits, excessive consumption can lead to potential downsides. One primary concern is their high sodium content. A diet high in sodium can contribute to hypertension, which negatively impacts brain health by reducing blood flow and increasing the risk of vascular dementia. Additionally, overeating pickles may cause digestive discomfort, such as bloating or gas, due to their probiotic content. For some individuals, excessive probiotics can disrupt the natural balance of gut bacteria, leading to temporary digestive issues. To avoid these pitfalls, moderation is key. Stick to a serving size of 1 to 2 small pickles per day, which provides the health benefits without overloading on sodium or probiotics. Pairing pickles with potassium-rich foods like avocados or spinach can help counteract the effects of sodium on blood pressure. It's also essential to choose high-quality, naturally fermented pickles free of artificial preservatives and additives. Reading labels and opting for brands that prioritize traditional fermentation methods ensures you're consuming a product that's both effective and safe. By being mindful of portion sizes and product quality, you can enjoy the benefits of pickles without the drawbacks. What are other better fermented foods? While pickles are a great starting point, other fermented foods offer even more profound benefits for dementia prevention. Kefir, a fermented milk drink, is a standout choice due to its high probiotic content and diverse range of beneficial bacteria. A daily serving of 1 cup, or 250 milliliters, of kefir can significantly enhance gut health and support brain function. Sauerkraut, made from fermented cabbage, is another excellent option. Rich in probiotics, fiber, and vitamins like vitamin K and C, sauerkraut aids digestion and boosts brain resilience. Aim for 2 to 3 tablespoons per day, either as a side dish or topping. Kimchi, a spicy Korean fermented vegetable dish, combines probiotics with anti-inflammatory compounds from ingredients like garlic and chili peppers. Its powerful blend of nutrients makes it a potent brain health ally. Consuming 1 to 2 tablespoons daily can provide significant benefits. Miso, a fermented soybean paste, is also worth adding to your diet. A teaspoon mixed into warm water or soups delivers gut-friendly bacteria alongside essential amino acids. These fermented foods, when consumed regularly and in moderation, complement the benefits of pickles and provide a broader spectrum of nutrients for brain health and dementia prevention. In conclusion, fermented foods like pickles reveal a fascinating connection between gut health and brain function, shedding light on their potential to prevent cognitive decline. Not all pickles are fermented, so understanding this distinction is crucial for unlocking their brain-boosting properties. By nurturing the gut-brain axis through probiotics, fermented pickles reduce inflammation, support neurotransmitter production, and enhance brain resilience. However, moderation is key. Overindulgence may lead to excess sodium intake or digestive discomfort. Beyond pickles, options like kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi offer diverse probiotics and nutrients, making them excellent allies in dementia prevention. Integrating these foods thoughtfully into your diet can empower your cognitive health journey. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.